The Tomo credit card charges a $0 annual fee, no security deposit, and no hard credit check during the application. That makes it one of the few unsecured beginner cards, built specifically for people with little or no credit history in 2026. By the end of this, you'll know what Tomo actually costs, how its payment system works, and whether it's worth applying for. Here's the straight answer. The upfront cost is 0. No annual fee. No deposit. No interest charges because Tomo requires full balance payments automatically. That's the biggest difference. Unlike cards from Capital One or Discover, Tomo doesn't let you carry a balance month to month. It links directly to your bank account and uses autopay to pull your balance. That removes interest completely. Section 1. What you're actually paying. Technically, there's no direct monthly or annual fee. But the real cost is flexibility. Because autopay is required, you needed enough money in your linked account every cycle. If the payment fails, your account can be restricted or closed. That's the risk. Section 2. How approval works. Tomo looks at cash flow, instead of traditional credit scores. That makes it similar to Petal and Arrow. It reviews income, spending patterns, and bank balances. That helps people who are new to credit, but manage money consistently. Tomo also reports payment history to the major credit bureaus. That's where the real value comes from. Section 3. Is it worth it? If you want to build credit without paying an annual fee or locking up cash in a deposit, Tomo is strong. It's especially useful if you already have steady income but no real credit history. If you need the option to carry balances or make minimum payments, this is a weak fit. That's because Tomo removes that flexibility completely. Quick recap. Tomo costs $0 to open and $0 annually. There's no deposit and no interest because balances are auto-paid. The trade-off is you must keep cash ready for each billing cycle. Your next step is simple. Connect the bank account you use most and review your average monthly cash flow before applying. If this helped you understand the real cost, like the video and subscribe.